Imagine cars that talk to each other, talk to traffic lights, and drive themselves safely even in bad weather. The future isn't tomorrow. It's happening now. But how did we get here? And who's building it right here in Canada? Let's break it down. Connected car technology has gone from simple telematics like calling for help in emergencies to full connected and automated vehicles that exchange real-time data with other cars, infrastructure, and even cloud networks. Today we'll explore how this tech evolved, what the future holds, and some of the biggest research hubs in Canada working on it. What are connected cars? Connected vehicles use sensors, wireless communication, and onboard computing to share data with other vehicles, V2V, with infrastructure like traffic lights, V2I, and with cloud services, helping reduce collisions and improve traffic flow. Evolution of connected car tech. In the early days, telematics systems like remote emergency calling were the first step. And then car owners can lock and unlock car, turn engine on and off, and see maintenance information all from your smartphone through the 4G or 5G network. As cellular, 4G, 5G, and networking improved, cars started sharing positional and sensor data, a major step toward automated driving. Now, vehicles incorporate advanced AI and machine learning to adapt in real time, and Canada is actively supporting testing and safety research to integrate these safely on public roads. Why Canada matters in connected and automated vehicle research. Canada is not just adopting connected car tech, it's shaping it. Government and research organizations run major programs, including human factor studies, driving simulators, and real-world tests at dedicated facilities. Key research hubs in Canada. University of Ottawa, Smart Connected Vehicles Innovation Centre, SCVIC, offers large-scale testing and experimentation for connected and autonomous systems. University of Toronto, iCity Centre in Katz, focuses on the impact of automation and connected tech on transportation systems at large, studying policy, infrastructure, and societal impacts. Carleton University and others. Researchers there develop communications tech that enhances vehicle awareness and safety. Other labs and consortia. Labs work on mobility innovation and integrating connected tech with urban systems. What's next? Future trends. Future connected cars will use next-gen communication technologies to share data with vehicles and infrastructure faster and more reliably than ever before. This enables advanced cooperative control features like adaptive cruise control that reacts not just to the car ahead, but to network signals too. Connected and automated vehicles aren't just tech toys. They're transforming transportation safety and mobility, and Canada is at the forefront of this revolution. Whether you're into engineering, policy, or AI, there's a world of innovation happening right now. If you learned something new today, hit like and subscribe for more insights on automotive technology. Comment below. Which connected car feature are you most excited about? V2V communication, autonomy, or something else? Let's talk.